Listen, there is like never a dull moment in this house. Never. You see they're looking all innocent? Hmm? You looking like you didn't do nothing? And you, get away, Bruno. What do you have to say? Hey.
You like the kitten, baby? So I had to call all the cat lovers outside because I come outside a while ago and Bruno have one of these kittens in his mouth. You see, I'm talking about the crab. He said that Bruno couldn't take the crab.
Stop.
I caught Bruno red-handed with one of the kittens in his mouth. And this is the second batch of kittens that this little white cat had in recent time, probably a couple months ago. And we just kept finding them. Him don't do them bad now, but I guess him probably playing with them. And he just, yeah, they kicked the bucket. So now we're trying to feed this little one because I got Bruno to let go this one, but the mother hasn't moved her back to her nest. What's them call them, nest, right?
I don't think it's nest. It's more like a den or a whatever. Wherever the mother is keeping the rest of the kittens, she needs. It's right now. It's in a spot where the dog can get to it. I'm not quite sure where we can place it in the yard so that the dog, it's safe from the dog or any dog, really. Because our neighbor has a dog.
Well, I had to lock up Bruno, so he's in punishment. What you have to say for yourself, Bruno? Say nothing as usual. Why call it plead the fifth? But this is where as Tina said, the den is. So it's behind this little tree. And so we see one more there.
You have to take it up from there so because ants.
Yeah.
What do you think about this kitten?
She's so cute.
She's so cute.
And she's sleeping.
Yes.
Why?
Why? Well, I guess she's newborn. She was born last night or this morning, I think. And so she's just resting now. Little babies need their rest, you know. You like her? Is she purring?
No, this one is not purring.
The mommy is purring. She's purring. I don't know why. Don't know if she's in pain.
Or probably because she's never had food like this.
You think she's purring because she's enjoying the food, huh?
Make a head. Why did she just make a head?
So, what do you think we should do, Hannah?
I think we should take care of the mother cat for a while and her babies until they can take care of themselves. And just make sure we feed the mother properly while she's breastfeeding. Yeah.
Well, where do you think we should put them?
Upstairs. That's where, remember Elsa? That's where Elsa used to keep her newborns. Upstairs. Until they were big enough to come down here. So I think we should do the same. And I think we should bring her up there too so that she knows where they are.
The cat?
Yeah.
She's a little wild. She's not really our cat. She's kind of like a stray.
She's not that wild.
She's not that wild, and she's certainly come closer than she has in a while.
She let me pet her before.
Oh, she has?
Multiple times, and she actually approaches me.
So my job is to find the bed. I'm just going to get some towel. I can't think of anything else. Towel is a start. Hey Chelsea, we found more kittens. You interested? You want to come? Want to come and look? You want to go back to sleep? Alright, go back to sleep.
Where are you?
Around here. Towel.
Looking for towel?
Yeah, it's gonna work.
Yes. Is it clean enough?
Of course. She has a cat. She had a cat on the ground in leaves.
Yeah, I mean, but this, where did you even get this?
On the floor. Cat was on the floor, in leaves, with ants, dirt, and all these things. I get a toilet. May not be it's not washed, not just washed, but must be clean enough, right? Trust the mother instinct. And let her do what she needs to do.
These two are up from their nap.
Hi. Hello, Edith. Hi, Ava. How was the sleep? Nice? It was good, because you slept for a little while.
Edie, you see that?
Stop.
Yes, you see the kitten? It's a baby. Ava, you see? You see the baby, Ava? The baby kitty?
They have to watch where you step.
Yes. Yes, Edie. Edie, what do you think about that?
That's the daddy cat. He wants to. Mommy, that's the daddy cat.
Yes.
You know, and we have to. And
That's the daddy cat?
And he knows how to take care of this baby.
Yes, but that daddy cat is not as good as your daddy. He's not as good as taking care of babies. I say, all Edie upon is wow. Wow.
See a couple of while ago?
Yeah.
Kitty.
Kitty. Kitty. Is saying hi to the kitty? Don't touch it. So, babe, why are you using that spatula?
I don't want to touch her, it's too small. For the breaker.
But you can, alright, so just then, boy.
It's surgical, you know.
Wow.
There you go, little one.
Okay. Alright, so you're gonna get the other one?
Oh.
Yeah, get the other one.
We got her. Oh my gosh! This is so cute.
Gently, gently, gently. Okay.
It's covering sticks.
Oh no, the foot looks so.
Is that bitten?
I don't know if it's bitten or if it's just red. It's just it's because they're new. They need to be cleaned up. Wow, what you think, guys?
Oh, they're so cute. And they really need a bath.
They need a bath. Their mommy will give them a bath, okay?
All
right.
The mommy will just lick them up.
Yes, the mommy will lick them off. What you thinking, baby? Hmm? You okay? What you thinking? Hmm?
Cats need a new home.
You what? The cats need a new home. Yes, we're trying to find them a new home, baby. Don't be worried. They'll be okay. Yeah, they'll be fine. They'll be fine. What are we going to do? We agree? We're moving them upstairs?
Yeah, they must move upstairs.
With the mother.
Well, the mother will find them.
Well, she will look for them.
I think she may bring them back to wherever she wants.
Well, let's hope she's smart and puts them in a better hiding place, because I think she had a litter before and they all were lost. They all died because they weren't safe. Yeah.
What is that?
So we're agreeing upstairs. We're upstairs though. We're upstairs, I think, Hannah.
There's a part up there that's where the ladder, you remember where the ladder used to be? Right there when you cross over. Right there.
So let's put this plan in motion then. We just need to secure the buy-in of one very important stakeholder in all of this. My mother.
Grandma? So, you know the white cat? She had kittens either this morning or last night.
Which part?
Behind the tree.
Sweet up tree.
Behind the sweet top tree. So we're trying to find a place to move them, and we're thinking about upstairs.
You sure you can manage?
Yeah. We just want your approval. Huh?
Alright, try it. Who want you to move them upstairs?
Me, mommy, Uncle Paul.
Oh, Jesus Christ, don't know you.
Alright, so here we have two boxes. We originally got this one, but it's too small, so we're gonna have to use this one. Alright, Hannah. You ready?
How do I do this?
Maybe you should take them out, put them on the floor first, and then put the towel in, and then put them on the towel. Yeah, see your kittens there? Yeah. Yeah, man, go and look around. Go and look around.
Look, you're not looking down. You're looking down.
She's purring again.
Downstairs, make me a gun. Don't get all right. Don't get all right.
I already clear all of it.
Take out back soon.
But she gonna eat it all. So I don't know where the kittens are. I think she moved them because they're not where we left them before, and they don't seem to be up here. So I guess she moved them to wherever she wanted to.
So that was a couple days ago, and we have not seen any sign of the kittens since then. Hopefully wherever they are, wherever the mother moved them to, they're safe from Bruno, but she's keeping it a secret because we don't know where them is. But in addition to the usual twin children drama, toddler drama, little kid drama, we have puss drama. We'll keep you updated, but that's it for this vlog.
Can't keep you updated, we don't know where they are. So
yeah, but at least we can tell them so we don't know where them there. No sir?
That's likely to be the update.
That's for the next one.
You do it.
You do it. No, you do it.
I always do the face, your turn.